Late. Time to get a video up for you guys. So, I was thinking something that might be helpful to you is how to make a proper amends. Because one of my pet peeves is when people say, I'm sorry, I'm sorry, I'm sorry, I'm sorry, I'm sorry. They just say it to say I'm sorry because they feel bad. My hands are dry. Okay. Wish you could smell this. It smells good. So this is especially for you strong men. I mean, women too, but men just do not know how to say I'm sorry. I'm horrible at saying I'm sorry too. A proper way. Make an amends the proper way. And I need to make a disclaimer. This video is not for my husband. In case you see this, this video is not for my family, not for my friends. This is for especially those of you men who need to know how to make a proper amends. It's not common knowledge that when you just say I'm sorry and you give explanations, it doesn't work, right? So do this. I guarantee you it will improve your relationships. That when your girl or your man or someone that you love, can be anyone, a friend, is upset with you, if you did something wrong, you simply say, it was wrong of me to blank. That was wrong. And from this point forward, I will do this. Or from this point forward, that won't happen again. That's it. No explanations, no justifications, no excuses. Don't say, I'm sorry, but I did it because this, or I was feeling this. When you make an amends, when you do something wrong, it needs to be nothing about you. It's for them. They need to know that you see that you were wrong and that you are going to correct your behavior. I'm sorry. It's still about you. It's about how you feel. So, next time you mess up, just try it. I guarantee you'll get better results when you say, hey, that was wrong of me to do that. That won't happen again. That was wrong of me to be mean to you. From this point on, I will work on being kinder. I'll do my best to make sure that doesn't happen again. If you're not sure that you can not do it again, I'm going to do my best to make sure, do my best to not do that again. I'm going to try my hardest. Be honest. That is how to make a proper amends. Especially for you big, strong, burly men. When you do something wrong, you need to admit you're wrong and say how you're going to correct it and then do it. A proper amends is a change in your behavior. That's not just your words. Not just your words. It's got to be followed up by changing your behavior in order for people to trust you and have faith in you. So, you're welcome. It's going to change your life. When you're wrong, say you were wrong and what you're going to do different. Guarantee you your relationships will improve and you're going to feel better about you. Love you.